What up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a everyday makeup routine video thing. Everyday makeup? Yeah, or my go-to everyday makeup. So I am sitting in the passenger seat. I have you guys on the dashboard, and then I have the little, is it called the glove compartment? I don't know, but the little thing that goes down, I have that open, and I have all my stuff there. I have my mirror, and I just have this makeup bag on my lap. I am sick, so if I sound a little bit ronca, I'm so sorry. I'm like, this is my 4th pack. I did already moisturize my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with oh my gosh, my dry ass fuck beauty blender. Oh shit, that did not work out. How do I do this? No, my lashes go wet. Maybe I have to squish it. No, fuck, it's not good. It's not working. I'm gonna go ahead and, the first thing I'm gonna start off with are my brows. So while I start off with my brows, I'm gonna prime my face. And for primer, I am using so for primer, I'm going to be using my Primed and Peachy primer by Too Faced. And I only put this on my nose. So just like that. That's the only part I get oily is my nose. So meanwhile that's soaking or whatever, go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's broken, but the other that works. So I'm gonna go in, and I have, because my spoolie is broken, I have a spoolie here, and this is just from Elf. So this is my everyday makeup routine. I still, oh my gosh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. I still keep it like, I try to keep it natural. That looks so dark. I just want to follow the shape of my brow. And this mirror, como que, I don't know, it's like morphed or something. So I'm just gonna go and use this one that Jenna gave me. Because the other one, I feel like it's like not right. Alright, so we have one brow done. And I want to say this is my easier brow. So, messy. The truck just turned off. So that's how my brows look now. So I'm not gonna even clean them or anything because I don't want that. I don't like that carved out look. So for my foundation, I've been using this Estee Lauder Double Wear in the color Tawny. I have a sample because I was sampling it out. I was using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, but that foundation was just too like dewy for me, like too oily. It looked horrible, like horrible. It's just not for my skin. I get really oily, and I thought I was just super oily, but this foundation, like if you're oily, this foundation will keep you down. I wore it for Christmas. Yeah, I wore it for Christmas, and we were dancing and everything, and I was sweating, and literally, obviously you could see the sweat, but once the sweat dried down, it didn't look like anything. You know when you sweat sometimes right here in your little mustache area, and like como que se te hace como una línea or whatever? So that didn't happen. So it was really good. About like that much. And I'll just, oh, where's my mirror? Oh shit. Fucking disaster. Jab it. Alright. So now that my foundation is looking a little decent. Just kidding. Now my foundation is looking a little decent. I don't put foundation on the bottom of my eyes, on my under eye. Because then I go in with concealer and I don't like it to look cakey. For concealer, I use this Maybelline. Is it Maybelline? I don't know if it's the Maybelline Fit Me, but I use that one. And I go in one eye at a time. And I'll have my Laura Mercier setting powder ready. So I just go in again with the same beauty blender. I go all around my eye. And then I'll open up my translucent powder. And I'll bake a little bit while I do my other eye. Put a little bit there. I'll just put the extra in there because I don't like going in like ham. I'll go in and I'll bake my nose, you know, like if I just did some crack cocaine. And then I'll bake my smaller lines. So I don't really bake. I kind of like, with the same beauty blender, I kind of like pat it into the skin and just let it melt in there. So just like that. And I'll go on top of my brows too, just to diffuse them a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer powder. And I'll take my Morphe brush. Look, this shit is old. Like, I've hit pan on this bronzer. And I just swirl it in there. I just swirl it, and oh shit. And I just go all around the corners of my cheekbones. Just to give me some color. I'm not looking like a walking ghost, you know what I mean? I have to put some right here for that double chin. So now that's that, and then now I'm going to go to my nose. My nose, I just do it at the top. And then I'll blend up. And then I'll get some at the bottom. And that's my little contour. The truck is about to turn on. So now that that's that, I get my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. I swear by this. This shit is so good. Like, I love it. I'll get this, and I'll get a big fluffy brush. And I just get what's on here. So just a little bit. Because it's very fine, and it's fucking crazy. So I just go like that. Because I have pores on my cheeks. And to diffuse that contour we just did, and that's it. And that's also to set all that in place. Next, I'm going to go in with my blush, my e.l.f. blush. I don't even know what this is called. It's so old. But it's, I think I want to say it's called like Rose something. It's a blush and like a bronzer. So I'm just gonna get a little bit. Smile. Whatever I have on my brush, I just do that. I'm gonna go with my setting spray. Que ya no tiene. I have two all-time favorite highlights, and it's gonna be this Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Amrezi. I don't know, but she's a YouTuber. And this Maybelline Master Chrome, and this is in the color Molten Gold. This is in the color, I don't know if they only made one color, but it's that one. It's so freaking gorgeous. So what I do is I get both of them. I open them up, and then I'll go in with this one first, and then this one. I like mix back and forth after I already set my face. And then I'll go up here. So I just mix like that. Get on this side. I get my little blush brush that I put blush on, and then I mix it again, or not mix it, but I blend it in like that, just to diffuse it a little bit. But it still looks good. Like, it looks like, I'm not gonna say natural because obviously it's not natural, but it looks good. If I just want to just do like a very, very natural look, then I'll go ahead and curl my lashes. And yes, I curl them with a spoon. I don't like curling them with a curler. I feel like they don't like curl good. Like with a spoon, they curl just perfectly. And it's like a Mexican thing. One of my cousins from Mexico, Marisol, she came like when I was small, and I saw her curling her lashes with a spoon, and I was like, what the heck? And she's like, yeah, try it. And I was like, it won't hurt. And she's like, no. So I did it, and it literally like changes lives. So those are my lashes. So again, if you just want to go ahead and leave this look just like this, then I just go in with this waterproof, it doesn't even say anything, but it's Maybelline. It's a waterproof mascara, and the wand looks like this. It's very like chunky. I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my lashes just once. And I'm very messy. If you get some on your eye, don't even worry about it. Let it dry up, and then you could just get a Q-tip and like kind of like twist it off. See how this is just one coat, and how freaking gorgeous and like long your lashes look. And if I want, I could just do this, like, just kidding. I want to be an extra bitch and put lashes on. These are the lashes I use. I want to say they're the Ardell ones. They come in a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I bought them at Walmart. I lost the top. So get your tweezers out, your glue. And put on your damn lashes. These are dirty as fuck. Oh my gosh. Look at how fucking dirty they are. They're fucking dirty. I'm a fucking sucia. Just kidding. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Maybe. Just a little bit. So just clean it a little bit, like whatever's, dude. Just put a little thin coat. I look pretty decent. This is gonna be a fucking failure. What the fuck is wrong with this lash? It's like all fucking like spiky. Look at that shit. Whatever. So look at the different, well, yeah, they're just longer. So that's that one. I'll be back for the next one. So now that both lashes are done, I just always like to push them up. I like my, I don't know, I feel like it gives you a better look. I'm just taking off the mascara. And then pinch them. So they kind of like mesh in with your real lashes. And now you want a tight line, because you want to cover that line that the lash made with your real lashes. Where's my anti-tight line? I'm going to go ahead and use my Marc Jacobs little eyeliner, and I like it because you don't have to sharpen it. It's just like that. And I'm just going to tight line the top of it. You see how it blends in? Oh, I just poked my fucking eye. I'm crying. No, I'm crying. This side always fucking gives me a fucking difficult time. Now, for the last part, I'm just gonna go in with my finger because I forgot to bring a napkin. And I'll just go in with my Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss. This shit will plump your lips up. Oh, fuck. I always fucking break a nail or some shit, dude. I fucking hate my life. Okay, so now, I'm gonna go in with these two brushes. This is gonna be for my como se dice, my brow bone, and then this one is gonna be for my inner tear duct. So I'm gonna get my highlight. And I feel like your fucking eye boogers always fucking come out when you do that shit. Okay. I'm gonna go in on the bottom, just right here. Nothing too crazy. I'll do just this part of my nose. And then I'll go in with my ring finger and I'll do the tip of my nose. Just something very like subtle. Nothing happened. And that's gonna be it. I usually just leave my hair up in a bun, or I'll do like a half ponytail. But that's basically it. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy watching it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. If you guys have any suggestions, please make sure to leave them in the drop box, comment box below. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye. Okay, I need to stop with this fucking ASMR bullshit. Peace.